From our man cave to outdoor. Today we're here at Bishan ang Whampoa Park. My name is Daddy Randy and today is Photorun. So what is a Photorun? A Photorun is a term used to take photos taken during the run. I have participated in many photo marathons and photo walks, and I even have completed 2 full marathons. I started my photo runs in 2018. And you can check the many photos I've taken during my run on my Facebook albums under the D-Run series. This year, I joined spacebib's Singapore City in Nature Challenge. The virtual run encourages participants to move around Singapore through its park connectors, covering a distance of 205 kilometers. Although this is a virtual run, I will take this seriously and we will run at all Singapore park connectors. For the first part of the run, we will be taking the Central Urban Loop park connectors. So all our run will start at Kallang MRT. And I have divided this run into 3 segments. First, we will cover the Whampoa Park Connector, which is a bit out of the way. And then for the second part of the run, we will start again at Kallang Park Connector, go to Pelton, Malam, Paya Lebar, back to Hougang Avenue 3. I will go to Lorong Aso so that I can cover the Jalan Pilikat connector, and then go to Serangoon Park connector. This is quite a long run. Go to Bangkok PC to Ang Mo Kio Avenue 5 Park connector until we go back to Ang Mo Kio Park connector, ending at Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park. And for the last run, my usual and favorite route from Kallang PC Park Connector, this will take you all the way back to Ang Mo Kio Bishan Park. So this is gonna be an exciting run, and I hope that all of you join me, especially tune in to this channel, as I will be sharing with you the photos taken during. Hello and good morning. Today we're here at Kallang to start our first ever run in 2022. Going through the Kallang Park Connector, and then we will go to cross over this bridge for the Whampoa Park Connector. Okay, welcome to Whampoa Park Connector. I was a bit lost earlier. Relied too much on the map. I'm just following the stick. So we are back here. destination is just over the other side, Toa Payoh Town Park. That's where it is. Yep, that's Toa Payoh swimming pool there.